I had this memory stick previously running CentOS 7, and I could not reformat it. I could go new simple volume and it would fail, but it's all highlighted out. I could not work with it. I tried doing it on Linux, same thing, just can't do anything. And when I hit new simple volume, it would go next, 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 and then it would fail at this point right here. Fail, and there wasn't anything I could do about it. So I went to this article where they suggested using some EaseUS software. So I downloaded it and ran it on, which is this flash drive right here. Now I said different things here at the beginning because it didn't have, I couldn't do it. I did a wipe drive, and then I did a format drive, then I did a GDP partition and things. Then I played with it, and now here it is. I can go into it, I can access it, and now under formatting, I can actually do my formatting. It all works perfectly. So in this case, this software, the free edition, worked great and was able to format my flash drive, which was previously an OS installer, which is something that I could not do here in Disk Manager. I'm going to refresh and see if it's figured it out. Okay, let's just close it and let's open it again. And yep, now you can see it is updated and now it is fixable. Whereas before it wasn't, but running this software seemed to fix the issue. So I'm very excited because, wow, that was a lot of work. And also, here is the website I downloaded it from as of the time of recording this video. So I hope this helps.